What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Turn Them Wheels. Today we're going to be looking at the MotoPower MP69035. It's Mary Paul 69035. That's the OBD2 car diagnostic tool for all OBD2 compliant vehicles. This one will do the engine check, the real-time curve. It has a 2.8-inch color screen and it uses the Type-C connector. So it is updatable. You can be able to plug it into your computer or laptop and update it. And then I'll show you on the back, that's their customer service email, their website to get in contact with them and check them out. I'll go and open up the box. It does have a 2-year warranty. Here's the packaging right here. Some paperwork, owner's manual. I don't really think you'll need the owner's manual. Pretty self-explanatory, easy to use, easy to follow. Here's the package right here. Take that out. So it looks like it has a diagnostic trouble code connector, inspection and maintenance, readiness monitors. You can check it right here. You can enter, exit, plus or minus, or up or down, sorry, not plus or minus. OBD2 connector right here. And it does have a touch screen. I mean, sorry, not a touch screen, but a color screen with a little screen protector, little plastic. So we'll go ahead and plug it in and check it out on the vehicle, see what all it can do. All right, so I have the scanner right here. OBD2 port. You just find it right here, grab it, go ahead and plug it in. Go a little higher, that'll help. As you can see, it's currently booting up. It says OBD diagnose, some data, live data, diagnostic trouble code lookup, inspection and maintenance, tool setup and help. So we'll go ahead and start the vehicle and we'll check it out. Set it right here, and then I'll go ahead and start it. We'll see what happens. All right, so the vehicle is running. Let's do OBD diagnose. Entering the system. It says diagnostic trouble codes in the engine control unit 0. The malfunction indicator light status is off. That's the check engine light. So it's currently off. Readiness completed is 8, so the monitors is ready to go for inspection if you're in a state or area that has to do with emissions. Readiness not completed, 0. Readiness not supported is 2. Data stream, so it can pull 50 of the data stream off the computer of the vehicle. Ignition, spark, protocol type, the CAN, controller area network. Let's see what else it can do. Okay, so that's good. Let's go exit. Read codes, erase codes, IM readiness, data stream, freeze frame, voltage test. Let's do the voltage test, see what happens. So it's currently 14.48, and we're currently at 14.48 on the voltage over there. The alternator is good. Let's do exit. Vehicle information. So it'll read the VIN, the calibration ID. Let's see. Currently no codes, so that's awesome. I can't complain. That's 100% amazing. Let's see. No pending, no permanent. IM readiness, we already checked that. Let's do data stream. Let's do ECU 1. View all items. Getting the supported data stream, loading. Fuel system 1 status closed loop. Fuel system 2 status closed loop. The load value on the engine, 25.9. The coolant temperature, 129. So it's currently still going up on the coolant temperature. And then let's see, the short-term fuel trim, bank 1, 1.6, bouncing to 0. So that's really good. Let's see, the long-term, 2.3. Short-term, bank 2, 0. Long-term, 0. Fuel rail pressure, 44. Intake map, manifold absolute pressure, 12 inches of mercury. Engine RPM 620, so that's pulling directly off the computer. Vehicle speed is 0. I'm currently in park, so it's going to be reporting 0. That's accurate. Intake air temperature, it says it's 102. It's currently a hot day here in Texas, so it's like 100 degrees. 1 pound per minute airflow rate from the mass airflow sensor. The throttle position is currently at 20. Let's see, the oxygen sensor kind of bouncing. That's good on bank 1. I mean sensor 1, sorry. Let's see. Short-term fuel trim, OBD requirements, time since engine start. So it's been about 3 minutes that it's been running. Commanded purge 0, fuel level 45.9. Number of warm-ups since the codes were cleared, 148. And then distance traveled since they were cleared, 1228. It'll show your catalytic temperature, 941 on both. That's good. That means the cats are healthy. Control module voltage is showing 14.4, 14.3. It's kind of moving. Fuel air commanded equivalence ratio 0.9. Relative throttle position 5.5. It's showing it's 100 degrees today. That is true. Throttle positions with the throttle actuated control module. Alcohol fuel percentage. That's very popular for these GM trucks. If it's way out of whack, it'll cause these trucks to go crazy. So 5% is pretty good. It's not bad. I think you want to keep it right around 10 or below, because I know the gas has E10 in it. Let's see. Let's do yes. Let's see what else it has. Data. Oh, that's kind of the same one we did earlier. Okay. So let's do... Oop. Let me exit. So we need to use these. Help. Let's see what's under help. Tool information. Software version 1.5, hardware version 1.5. So there should be some updates online. Let's go to tool setup. Unit of measure. So you can change it from flow, pounds per minute. I always like to see them in grams per second, because usually on your mass airflow you want to see it as, if it's like a 5.3, you want to see like around 5 point something grams of air. Speed, miles per hour, distance, miles, pressure, PSI, mercury, Fahrenheit, everything looks good there. I just wanted to change that. Language, you can do the beep, you can turn it off. Let's see. I'll turn it back on. I like having it that way. It kind of confirms, you know, what's going on. Device self-test. Screen test. It does have a very nice screen. 2.8 inch color screen. That's pretty cool. And then we can exit and we can do the key test. Test key. Escape. Let's go. Let's see what DTC does. First we got to back out of there. So these are just like hotkeys. They'll check for codes. And then this one's a hotkey to check for the inspection and maintenance monitors portion of the test. And it says since the diagnostic trouble codes were cleared. Misfire, okay. Fuel system monitor, comprehensive component monitor, okay. Catalyst converter, okay. The heated catalyst monitor, not available. EVAP system monitor, okay. Secondary system monitor and not available. Oxidant sensor monitor, okay. Oxidant sensor heater monitor, okay. EGR, exhaust gas recirculation and or variable valve timing sensor monitor, system monitor, okay. So everything looks good here, guys. I like the screen on this thing. Very easy to use. I would highly recommend this thing. I'm going to put the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.